welcome. You want a tour? Follow me. Right here is my favorite place, the jacuzzi. Follow me. Right now we're actually putting in some lights and some other things, so we're filling the water in a little bit. But let's go upstairs. This way. I love the view right here. Sometimes I'll sit with a nice tea or some hot chocolate, enjoy the beautiful view. But let's check this out. So you have the view of the beautiful nature here as well. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour. I'm gonna get to doing some work here, but guys, I'm sorry, you gotta get going. No, go, go, go.